I am super excited today because I am unboxing my package from Raina. Raina is the seamstress behind Noble Baby Diapers, and she just opened up business 1 year ago, April 2019, after practicing around and sewing diapers for many years. Raina is based in the United States. This package shipped from me from Georgia. I didn't realize you were in Georgia. I say that because I have chatted with Noble Baby over the past year through her journey as a small startup brand, and she inspires me. I love how she talks about cloth diapering. I love how she's dedicated to talking about accessibility within cloth diapering and breaking down a lot of, she shares a lot of information in Spanish, and that's what we need to do as an English speaker who only speaks English. I recognize that that's really limiting to the cloth diaper space. So we need to share more stories in more languages. And I have been dreaming about owning Noble Baby diapers for a long time. I've never purchased them because we were kind of out of diapers. And then, well, I kind of realized I kind of wanted to buy something from someone. So I'm going to open these up. I'm going to photograph them. I might wash them and take some absorbency testing of them. And then I'm going to give them away. This is just the unboxing video to share with you this great little brand. So this, yeah, shipping to Canada kind of sucks. Shipping to Canada is always going to suck. I don't know what I'm talking about yet. I've just told you about her brand, but I haven't actually told you what it is. So Raina makes Preflats or pre-folds. It's like, they're fancy flats. They're winged fancy flats. It's always weird to do this on air. And then a pile. So I did order one of everything from her. I think these are little boosters. I ordered, this is the newborn, regular size. It's windy today, but I'm just having so much fun filming outside than I am inside. And the toddler size. But you're still like, what is it, Bailey? What is it? What is it? What is it? Well, it's a flat. It's like a pre-fold. Look, it's got wings. So you can wrap it around baby. Now would be a really good time for me to have a teddy bear. But, see? You wrap it around. So the thing about these kinds of flats is they are made out of 67% bamboo, 28% organic cotton, 5% spandex. So they're stretchy. But you can fold them, so you fold up the insides like this to get a nice trim fit, and then you use the wings and you wrap them around baby and you use a fastener. If you've got enough room, you can tie them, and it's just super simple. It's like taking a flat and making it easier. It's like a pre-fold but without the bulk, and it's just incredible. She has gorgeous colors and a wide array of sizes. So I'm showing you there was the regular size, and then you get this itty bitty newborn size. And she also makes a much bigger toddler size, which I've heard. They do have extra, so I bought the one with the super flat, and this has got another stretchy insert. It's weird to think about a stretchy material like this being absorbent, but really any sort of natural fiber diaper is a great choice and can be super absorbent. That is my package for the today that I unboxed. I'm super excited to throw these in the wash, check out their absorbency, play around with them, and then go follow me on Instagram and I'll let you know when I do a giveaway so that you can try these products next.